So we just made a trip out to the Colorado property and we met with a roofing company. And they gave us a pretty good quote to replace this roof, which we pulled the trigger on, and they're going to be back out in the next couple weeks to put a new roof on. And then we talked to them about restructuring the porch so that it's an open porch, because we want to get the roof on the porch as well. I think what we concluded was that the entire porch needs to be removed and then rebuilt. We were going to try to save, but see, all the columns and stuff are gone. So really they're going to take the whole thing off. So we'll have open porch all the way around to here, and then we'll have a bathroom. So we'll have it enclosed from that corner, and we'll have the bathroom in there, and then from about where that window is, which is now the bathroom, will be open wraparound porch, similar to how it used to be. So we're excited to get the new roof on this place. You know, I love my wood roofs, but we're going to go with asphalt. Looking forward to getting that done. Phase 1. So after the hard rains at Goathead Farm, I'm taking a little break and heading to our Colorado place, which I was hoping I'd run into the roofers out here. I wanted to come out and kind of video some of the process of them replacing the roof, but they got it done so fast and so cheap that I didn't even have a chance to check it out. So all I'm going to get to do is look at it. I brought the mower, so I'm going to mow the property, and that's about all I can do. Wow, the roof just looks absolutely fantastic. Can't believe I missed the whole thing. Hey, they even gave us a new pallet. It's nice to know. A couple new pallets. Hey, that's awesome. They gave us more trash. Yay. We got a really good deal on it, so happy. On to the next thing. So I've been mowing for about 3 hours. I think it's looking a lot better. I decided anything that's this dark green, it really just won't mow that unless I go over it like 12 times. So I kind of gave up on that. Anywhere you see where I haven't cut, there's just underlying stuff. I wanted to just finish this area, and then I'm probably going to call it good for the day. So I did pretty good missing stuff, but I did hit one thing. I guess not all that much of a surprise to find barbed wire out here, but you can see that's kind of all wrapped around that axle. It was kind of impressive because I hit it and the mower instantly shut off. God, I love biting flies. They're a wonderful thing of nature. Anyways, I was impressed that the mower shut itself off. I tried to start it again after I hit it and it wouldn't start, but I disengaged the mower and I was able to start it and drive it over here and get it up on these ramps so I can get that wire off. And then I'm going to try to just do a little bit more cleanup. Not easy to tell what I did, but take my word for it, it looks a lot better. So I got all that wire out. Sorry. So I got all that wire out of there. It took me about 20 minutes. That one and this one and this one and that one was all wound up in there. I'm actually impressed. Hope she keeps running good though. Poor thing. So I just mowed for about 5 hours. Well, yeah. 6 o'clock and I started at about 1, so not a full 5 hours, but so that's the new roof, which I did not get any video of them ripping it off or putting it on, but that's okay. You can see someone replace your roof if you want. And the little John Deere just mowed. It's a little hard out. I know. I need to get a brush cutter. This came with the place, free to a good home. Probably worth something in scrap if I could get it to the scrap yard, but maybe I'll try to do something artistic with these. Kind of neat, but yeah, maybe I'll do something with it. There's some old VW parts under that thing, a couple fenders that are smashed. Inside of here are a couple El Caminos, a GTO and a Model A and a International Semi. I'm supposed to meet the guy that owns them the next couple weeks. Need to talk about where they're going. I really kind of hope that he wants to let me kind of work on them, and I told him I'll get them running and bring them to him. I don't know if all the parts are there, because I think that'd be fun. But and then that would offset the rent. He's in a similar situation as me. His wife does not want them to come home. Well, he actually likes El Caminos. Maybe I'll try to get one of those El Caminos from him. Next time out, I'm going to bring the chainsaw and continue doing cleanup on the dead trees, get all this roofing material out that they were so nice to leave me. I guess when you have a big pile of garbage, everyone thinks that's where all the garbage goes, so keep your stuff tidy and people won't trash it. They'll be like, oh, it's kind of nice, so they'll keep it nice. That's my life hack for you today. Not a super exciting video, but that's kind of what I did today. I mowed. That's the only thing I can accomplish. It's the only thing I'm good at is mowing, which I'm not actually very good at. Because if this was your place and I mowed it for you, you'd be like, what about over here? And what about this? And I mean, come on, man. It doesn't even look really that nice, but it used to look like that, and now it looks like that. So now I'm heading back to the farm, the Goathead Farm, and it's my goal to get the brakes done on the Corvair. It's gonna happen.